Enti ye ka untie yen structural violence. Seriously. One of the things I mean many aje.
It was your for Ghana 7 TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe with no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. It was your for MPP primaries no mono. Obiani ni slogan say election de okwa. Obiani ni slogan. She say ebi muti make say oh yeah, pen is saying osikeni. Ebi muti ka say oh yeah. Ebia I seen north and I say I seen south and I see central. Elon Musk. Obiati me fani ope. No na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beka say ono de oni school. Ye ka skapa de oni ska. Ba e ba na dwen ye di edwini deep. E di development any technology eba or ye rich in ideas. Oka ye no. Ko for bebre kasa. Ena. Ajun na ebe di ada. No problem. Ebusiamfo. Ajin de wu yampa. Adentia. 11 months nie na NDC for aba aban mu. Busumi baku 11 na wachi mu so yede ya munchire me comment section why. 11 e wachi mu yede chire me comment section. Busumi baku 11 nie ena NDC for aba aban. Now all these 11 months na busiamfo adie baku say anywhere omu yesese a ometumi aka say we eye omu amadwindwin ena omu di ye na say omu amu idea. Almost everything they are doing copycat, and I say adie bi e wo ho a Akufo Addo Bawumia start here. Baku gold purchasing program at Bank of Ghana here to strengthen our currency. Bawumia na dwun. See debut on my first in Africa no gold. How do we have just about 8 tons of gold? Let's start a gold purchasing program. And about buy. By the time NPP pay free buy mono, now your gold reserve no almost multiply by 4, no if not more. Yeah, Bawumia for you. Drone delivery, no. Medical records are here online and all. Now, the reason I'm even saying this now is because Sammy Miami, gold board hima, gold board hini. Sammy Miami, aka gold board hini. Sa gold board ukra sema abano, sema yetitino. Essence sa gold board nukra no, jewelry. Ni sensembi wowa. Sammy Miami akoye ne ho board chairman. Obi a we CEO. Ewo company bi mu a utimi san ye board chairman. Public office o. By no there. E asema ye beka later. Enye ni asem. But Sammy Miami say no ye gold no. Ye mpesa ye nto no in raw form. Ye refine to add value. And the NDC full soldiers ye bio, Sammy intelligent to I'm say abutre. Sammy den. Refining of gold, adding value to the gold before we sell. Come on. Akufo Addo Bawumia idea. In fact, even to the extent say Akufo Addo Bawumia eka say our oil drilling no. Yeah, adding value. That is how they started the Jomoro also project. Almost 12 billion refinery. Adding value to gold, adding value to cocoa. That has always been Akufo Addo's cry. That has always been Dr. Bawumia's heartbeat. And how has it all of a suddenly become a Sammy Miami idea? Oh, NDC for. Munki kenka krala. Mama Jumani ye dindodo. Aden. Let's go and see the video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
Enti ye ka untie yen structural violence. Seriously. One of the things I mean many aje. Any the good board ne ye no.
Yeah.
say right now no
and
I think say brilliant say John Mahama do dia bay otimi ye ni ye ya
o man na wie
chrono no so betse na sa sika no there has to be a system e wo say gold belt no kra na check royalties minim say wo mu loss no ma e wo say gold board na check royalties say de be ya e beduru baabi no say aban ni timi ye ni ye a hwe onia research betro say in 2013 to 2016 Ghana ye lusu say $6 billion 2016 alone Honorable Owusu Benito Bio no your deputy minister of lands and natural resources okay in 2017 say 2016 alone under John Mahama Ghana lusu $7 billion through illegal means 2018 and then from Pomboati and Kanche or say every year Ghana lusu $30 billion
right
you could report by or say $1.1 billion between 2019 and 2021 near to me accounted for
sure
yet to Kromu Hana Al Jazeera 4-year research who say Akwabi say every month no to me the 40 million
if we
ha echo ye wo Kromu Hana 2017 na nado danko Akufo Addo sia in central for ena obi kobusan say na gold ho asamete sen na Akufo Addo ka che say oh senior minister Osafo Manfo echo UAE Dubai omuni omudi enkomo pa chia omudi enkomo chia ye bebre ya what happened the omu kan ni nyina ne say omu books mu no na ye $7 billion omu books mu na ye $7 billion come
sure
sit down
senior
and so uko ye books ma na ye $2 billion
right
na Akufo Addo but oti na Akufo Addo 2017 go back meet the press
sure
or say Dubai for XR senior minister Osafo Manfo say
you
knew made the gold who just $7 billion but omo ba books nim no na ye Ghana dey $2 billion but no omo ho no ye $7 billion ebe pem ne ye hu de si ye
enye obi ahwe
enti enye gold board kra ne ba mi hu say ei
sika
wo ne betimi aha na ese a ankasa sika we yankofo gusu wia
na wonim say na Ghana fo nyina adwene ne say companies ya mo kwan tu sika wo man mu no omo na de sika dwane omo ye wia no mo de nyina kona Ghana enya kakra bi sa na ya adwene ye say na sika wa na mo ntwefa mu
yes hey so for me before say Erastus beba no attention this is what I want to say. First of all, number one, galamsey for no the amana dini to oni nyina ne say aban ti ase say aban parliament hyehye mrafo bi a wona omutuo no nyamfaso more than wo mu no na omubetu na ebe din say aban pese oye ni ya mimi solution nie say eno ana dodo na ye didie enti now involve the chiefs ahemfo no
mrem
na ahemfo no mu na ye o masase enye de ben suo ene de ben forest nemom concession no de aban betimi aye ne say ohene asase we ye wodia concession no eye bia be 100 ukroma fo mu ye say ye register woni aban ni DC na mo hwe sa concession no so mo bia anye illegal thing one e wo se obia nso nya engineers a omo be kam ho enti se wo ye community mining and na say whatever mining na e wo se concession bia must have at least 2 or 3 engineers
right
so unya sa na monitor omo no mu ho no benya bibia ye omo nsenso na wo aban no di AI police for me kra me yanka wo set camps ni base wo insuo ni forest reserve mu ma soldiers ne nkoda ho no mu nan so no afi AI betimi aye because minim doctor bia waye AI technology a eno kra de nya nipa
soldiers yasemu yi many senior betwetwe ho nkomo kakra
AI no what you do is that obetimi asset drone AI one ma parameters say obi a obeben insu na forest 100 meters bia no kuno eno anya police soldiers na bebe mo why what set it say ha
ti drone bia na na etete ho
na etete wonti e wo sensor into the moment a oben forest reserve no ebe ping go back
they am kai kan tank
oba ya pa and it can be done with AI. Tina, Mahama can say we'll solve it with AI. No,
right?
AI can kill a lot of people. Omuwa in Suone Forest Reserve.
Almost no.
Sharp.
Thank you very much. Nana Kojo Jantwa. Medasi P. Babusia. And some of the senior veteran Komoka is a family drilling company limited. And we move to Supadi amount. Baby, opes ye two Suodima boho and ye two boy for parfait biogas and the biodigester. No, bit me the air gas. Yanin one year the air gas near the Amawa. One more bit me aye the amount from Musisia 024 Peru, Eba, and Sana Ghana. So at this point, 2019 year 7th.
Good.
So improvement by
yes.
Maybe do 6 2023.
Yes.
And then it means still yeah stagnant.
And even overtook South Africa at some point.
Yeah.
At some point.
Yeah. Because I'm gonna lead you.
The point is that ways our statistics way may Ghana ni many bewu.
Yeah.
If it's a salmon na near Casa Assembly near Busa say and a year bang. Ghana year number 1 in Africa. You see about gold. And a year day. And a year number 6 no. At that time you busa say in a year day. If it's a krona ubo bosono China. Jeff pa kroni na nama first say you know for mu pictures to work akra. Ebi obi nche dan tiase. Ne compare the fact say ene ye fireable. Manson kwanta hono. Kwhwe how deprived they are.
Yeah. Well, I'm saying areas crowd and
I'm so cautious anti-meka structural violence. And they say when we say Chromo Hagana no gold no yes yeah number 1 and so me so no
yeah
it is a me who to masasi so I mean so me too
sure
until I'm saying galam say issue a socio-economic problems and yes simple sir and to do betimi aya say ube managing year because nipa 4 million now omunya bidi no omususu say anka uwa by now betimi akache say Ghana ye number 1 in Africa, number 6 in the world no na me kroma say obuase tantan she obuase ofe obuase 2 gold Anglo gold 2 gold for over 100 years in obuase she de obuase aye neko South Africa neko South Africa the same Anglo gold na.
And the youth employment crane opportunities are womu bie those countries in the moment.
And to no social mu say ebo na wo pan no. Mama ntumi nya kakra. E no for problem ne ba no.
Yeah.
So you see in as much as say they be you protecting the system no.
Yeah.
Abaya abako mampanyin kofo mampanyin JM ne na Akufo Addo ne o matena ase ama oman no ohia bamu.
Yeah.
Gold ni ye tu de gold ni ye de ye nyoma de ba nipo no no tim no hu se me krom ni ye tu gold nso me nya so mfa so me so be kwa akopa bi say ye discuss issues and discuss ni ye
yeah
we a social challenge ni say semeti one ye ka kire me say kro we ye kro be fa kire me afa kire momo me odimu de to so ya momo me be hwe kro na ye ka ho asem no enti obi wo manso obi wo setwi obi wo eastern region western region a ohwe sa nyoma we a one so be kwa galam say asel because nso here ska
yeah it's true
ogisika na o de be kwa kosi East Legon dan obi wo East Legon no ye galam say obi te dan fefe mu onum nso papa to ye galam say na excavator na ye ne dia because excavator 15 billion ne ho an wuntimi nto.
Now, boys,
young guys say 15 billion or free. You get the point?
Yeah.
Shekro. Shekro na ye catch up where in Russia and as we him. Where
about China, hono, just say.
And he said, Krona yabu bosu nyina so mu ye gold no. Krono enyini.
Na the young ones omo edi echi kra no. Omo edi echi 7th, 8th no kra no. If you are looking at the economy, better than
the BN one so be as acronym so me galam say.
Yeah, the tosu 6, omo tosu 7 ni 8 ni ade. They are better than
the only country I can galam say asem Ghana yenso ye ka hu bi. Enti say wo ye kro na be hye obi nsuo be hye the way we see atchere ne man. Enti what we call structural violence be ye adwuma. Enti mrantia na say omo pempanyfo na bu omo pe soldiers abu omo pe obi a be anti yen mu bi omo pe abu no. It is because they feel say motito na ekomode yen.
Enti Russia de ensu ni.
Where Russia?
Yeah, very beautiful.
But all the Facebook be share Russia.
Very ekwan no kra de da kuru ni mu kra efe.
bra Facebook never share Russia ye boss one no ache krona ye say omutu gold Ghana ye toso number 6 we are seeing nyina ye say Ghana ehemu no na hwe ni kro de wa see the gold na ye galamsey ni ho ni nso nse ye
de no Accra to Kumasi road kro ntimi mfanye na ni pewu
na wa de ya we see asise hwe nia
very beautiful
Ghana hank ya say no kra nyam no ayen basa
enti we kire wo se nana ye betumi atu gold no bebre wa bra how bia ema wo enti gold no nye problem
yeah
but ya dream pon said yesi ye no na ye problem
if we say na panyin ne ko sign contract no or sign say Anglo Gold for Newmont for Asanko for mo ye amomfa we mbreme de aka de me ne online no ene bedili to no ne ba obeto ne concession wa ye na djuma krogen aban ne gi sika na o de concrete no de akwa project enkran aye ho interchange na mansofo obre na mansofo ni nsuo na mansofo ni eni saa nyoma no eti wo sori a ono so be se wo so no nsu didi enti galamsey activities no akrachefo a wo mu wom enyina because of realize ya na me kro mu ne yetui ye the helicopter na kikikikiki ya ba betam ounces near the ko na ono what wa person ye den obeka no ho so you see when we are talking about some of these things near sorry anopa ne ani abrea oti wana wo ani abre na wo kan Bawumia ne hwan ne kan ne nasefo na wani abre na wo toto ayampia na didi atem instead of you say be kan bom wo kroma say eniyoma nkoye nipa be 4.5 million are surviving because they feel say okasian stop galamsey na problem wo ho and it happened because una ma kwan into ohene ne hwa was na me kro nie na aban was the problem is aban wa aban na hyehyɛ adwumafo
sure
wa buy the sign contract say otimi for 90 na buy na for be 10 wa buy na hyehyɛ no hyehyɛ wie na ekomo dewa problem ne say abai won fi yen will take action it me say na galamsey issue no aye deadly sa delta force any militant groups na won Nigeria no ebi aba menka say ebi aba ho
omo na ebi akofo omo abegugura mu
ba omo now Burkina say one of the things aye ho adwuma ne say